ice tested Smirnoff green apple vodka shots. We will pour it into this cup along with this and this. So let's try and see how this is all gonna be, and then we'll try it again with ice. I might be in a different t-shirt because I might try it later on. I'm not gonna try it again with ice because you never know what's gonna be the outcome after I take this test. I've done other tests like this stuff before. The outcomes were horrible. So guys, what do you think we should try first? Putting vodka, screwdriver, or the limited time edition only first? Do not skim through it first. Go ahead first. Let's figure out, let's see. Boom! Let's try vodka. I am not gonna like this taste. Guys, I can tell you guys, I'm not going to like this test. I only try the limited edition first. So just guys, we don't do alcohol beverages here on this channel. Also, we do any other kind of beverages. We try candy, we try Pop-Tarts, and so on. So just give you guys a heads up. So let's mix this into here. There we go. There's our orange that we needed, or green that we needed. If this outcome comes out horrible, and I become with this edit and same video, different shirt, you'll understand why. It's a different day. It'll be a different day. We'll see how the outcome goes. So again, Smirnoff vodka, green apple, screwdriver, Smirnoff ice with the limited edition as well. So here we go, guys. This is, let's mix it a little bit. Let's do this. This is its taste. Actually, guys, that's not bad. Like I said, if you're above 21, well, if you're 21 and above, try this. This idea is not that bad, guys. This is not bad at all. Got your shot. You got your 2 drinks into 1. Not bad. Tastes like you're drinking a soda. In my eyes. Alright, guys. We got our cup of ice. So, we're going to try the same way. I'm not going to pour too much of vodka in it again. Just a little bit. Screwdriver ice first. Now, limited edition together. Then, once we are done taste testing all these alcohol beverages, I think we'll try them together. What do you guys think? I think it will come out to be a bad idea. So you might see me outside doing this idea. So mix it again. So here we go, guys. This is its taste. Guys, it's not that bad. Over ice, it's just like it tastes like water, but hey, you gotta drink it fast because you know it's hot in this camper here. So, guys, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more taste test videos. Who knows next? I got food I gotta taste test next. I might take a break from alcohol beverage and just go ahead and taste test some candy and some other things. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm unstoppable. I am out.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.